Alright guys, I just want to explain page 27 of Geniet Dit. So the sentences that you are doing are these gister sentences. In other words, they are sentences that you are changing from the present tense into the past tense. So if you have a look on the board here, alright, what we're actually doing is verlede tyd. Alright, in English we call it the past tense. Now, if you have a look at some sentences here that I've actually got on the board here in English. So if you have a today sentence, for example, I play with Kyla, and you change that to a yesterday sentence, all right? Now remember, yesterday is in the past, it has already happened, so we call that the past tense. Your verb in the sentence changes a bit. So it's not I play, it's yesterday I played with Kyla. And you can see that on the end of play, this little suffix has been added, the ed suffix has been added to the word. So the verb in the sentence changes slightly. And it's the same in Afrikaans, okay? In Afrikaans, we don't have the ed, we have this ge prefix, which we add to the beginning of the verb or the action word, or werkwoord, as we call it in Afrikaans, okay? But they also, in Afrikaans, have this het word, which they add to their sentences to make it the past tense. All right, so let's have a look at some of the examples that you see in Geniet Dit. So you've got vandag, which means today, and you've got gister, which means yesterday. So if you have a sentence like ek slaap, all right, to make it into the past tense or the verlede tyd, you have to add the word het, so ek het, and then remember our little ge, which we add on to our verb, our action word, or werkwoord. So you have ek het geslaap. All right, let's try another sentence. We've got a very simple sentence here, ek staan, I stand, and we're going to change it into the past tense. So we're going to add the het, ek het gestaan. All right, now remember, this is one word, even though I've put it in different colors just to make it stand out to you, that's what we're adding to the front of this werkwoord. Please write it as one word. Ek het gestaan. Let's try one more example. Jan hardloop. We're going to change this vandag sentence into a gister sentence. So you're going to say Jan, and we're going to add our het. Jan het gehardloop. All right, so let's see how you do in your vandag and your gister sentences in your Geniet Dit book. And I will post the answers for you, and you can see how you have done.